Hello, this is Hiro from Leathercraft School. Welcome to Day 38 of beginner course. Today we will work on project using Rivets. Today we will be making this accordion-style mini wallet. The unique feature of this wallet is that there's no stitching at all. By using the rivet, we can assemble the wallet without any stitching. Even though this wallet is made from just two simple pieces, the design is practical. As always, I've included a link to the pattern in the description below. Please print it out and follow along. Let's dive in. First, let's go over the tools you will need. You will need leather knife or utility knife, mallet, scratch awl, edge beveler, 2mm and 4mm hole punches, rivet setter for 1/4 inch rivet, glove snap setter, snap setting base, tokono or tokopuro, canvas cloth, and 400 grit sandpaper. And here are the materials you will need. Baseball tan leather. I recommend using fawn thick, soft and flexible leather. 6mm or 1/4 inch rivet and 12mm glove snaps. The sizes are just a guideline, so feel free to adjust according to your preference. Next, let's prepare a pattern. Please print out a pattern and attach it to a piece of craft paper. Then cut it out along the outlines. Once you cut out both pieces, let's punch holes for the hardware using the hole punches showing the pattern. On piece A, there are 18 holes. And on piece B, there are 6 holes. Now that we have our tools, materials, and pattern ready, let's start crafting. The first step is finishing both sides of the leather. Let's start with finishing the flesh side. First, apply tokono or tokopuro evenly onto the flesh side. And use a canvas cloth to make the flesh side smooth. Since I want to make leather soft and flexible, I recommend using canvas cloth. Using a glass burnisher can make the leather too stiff. Next, let's prepare the grain side by applying a small amount of water. Since we use water a lot in this project, we first apply water to the grain side to prevent stains when crafting. Once you apply water, let's polish the grain side with a canvas. Once you finish both sides, let's cut out the leather pieces. First, let's trace the outlines using a scratch awl of piece A and piece B onto the leather. Please make sure to mark the placement for the hardware as well. Next, let's cut out the pieces using a leather knife or utility knife. If you use a leather knife, it is important to angle the blade when cutting the curve. If you use a utility knife, rotate the leather as you cut. Once you cut outlines, let's punch holes using the hole punch sides showing the pattern. Once you cut out both pieces, let's finish all edges for both A and B. First, apply water slightly to the edges. Use 400 grit sandpaper to smooth them. Use an edge beveler to round off the edges. Apply tokono or tokopuro. Then burnish with canvas cloth. Repeat this process for all edges of both piece A and piece B. Now let's start assembling the wallet. We will begin by attaching the glove snaps. There are glove snap placement for both piece A and B. If you are unsure how to set glove snaps, please check out day 16 of the beginner course, where I explain the process in detail. The link is in the description of this video. Now, we will move on to the most important step, shaping the wallet. First, soak the cloth with water and apply water into the half moon part of the flesh side of piece A. Once the water is in, fold this half moon part inward and make a crease. Next, align the rivet holes. And fold the pieces together. Repeat the same process with other rivet holes. Then next, out of the 4 mountains you just folded, align the 2 mountains on the front side. Like this, and fold them. Then, from the flesh side, fold these 2 mountains together with your fingers to make crease. Next, for the 2 mountains on the back side in the same way. Now that the right side of accordion has been folded, let's work on the left side in the same way. Now, both sides are shaped. Let's secure the wallet using rivets. Let's start by setting the 4 outer corners with rivets. If you are unsure how to attach rivets, I explain the process in detail in day 35 of beginner course. Please make sure to check it out. I've included a link in the description below. Once you've attached the 4 rivets, let's move on to securing the remaining 4 and attaching piece B. We will start by fastening the back fold. First, insert one corner of piece B into the fold. Then, align the holes of piece A and piece B. Once the holes are aligned, insert the rivet post through the holes. Then, place the rivet cap over the post and press them firmly with your fingers. Now, we will set the rivet using a setting base and a rivet setter. Once you set backside folds, let's repeat the same process with frontside folds. Once all rivets are set, the wallet is fully assembled. Let's shape the wallet. Gently press along the folds to adjust the shape. And please make sure that the glove snaps close properly. With that, your accordion mini wallet is complete. That's all for today. How was it? How did your wallet turn out? This accordion-style structure is practical. If you modify the size, you can make a long wallet or even a bag. Once you understand how patterns are made, you will be able to create your original designs. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give me a like and subscribe for more Leathercraft tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye.